Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another FASHOM unboxing and try on, but this one is unlike any other FASHOM video I have done in the past, and that's because I partnered with FASHOM to offer one of my subscribers a $50 credit to their website. So all you have to do is sign up using my referral link today, July 5th, through next Friday, July 12th. It is $0 to sign up, free. Zero, zilch, nada. The first styling fee is absolutely free. After that, it is $15. But to be entered in this $50 credit on FASHOM's website, all you have to do is sign up using my link down there in the description box. It's there. It's always there. Check it out. I love FASHOM. I've been subscribed to FASHOM for a while. I want to say a while, and I always tend to find something that I really like. So this is going to be the typical Taren unboxing and try on video. The difference is you have a chance to win 50 bucks in credit, and I think that's amazing. So you should definitely try to win. All right, so this box, 5 items per usual. This one has sort of like a lavender vibe, and I'm here for it. I am loving it. Oh, and if you're here from the Facebook Live that I just did on FASHOM's Facebook page, then hi, thanks for clicking the link, watching the video, and hopefully you'll subscribe while you're here. All right, let's get into this video. The first thing that I want to show you is this beautiful purple lavender-ish like t-shirt dress. What I really love about this is the, not distressing, but just like I don't even know how to describe it. It's just not, it's not like a normal hem, I guess is what I'm trying to say. It's around the sleeves and around the neck. It's V-neck. It's also longer in the back and shorter in the front. This is the brand UMG. It's in a size 2XL. This fit absolutely perfect. I was also able to wear a pair of like Nike shorts underneath it, which I wouldn't normally do, but it was kind of nice to not have to wear like spandex shorts so that my legs didn't rub together. So this is definitely a hit. Absolutely love this dress. This is called the UMG High-Low Knit Dress. It is $55. Next thing is another purple lavender-ish top. This one off the shoulder if you would like, but it also has the option to wear straps, which I appreciate. This is the brand Skies Are Blue in a size 3X. I love this pattern. It's not like a typical tropical pattern, but for some reason, like the lavender and the white is just so pretty. Y'all know I've got a thing for off-the-shoulder tops. I can't figure out what to do to keep them to stay down, and do I want to wear a strapless bra, do I not, that sort of thing. But this is really pretty. I could see this. We actually have plans Sunday to meet some friends at this outdoor restaurant bar on the Causeway, which is the water, and listen to a band. This would be so pretty with a pair of white denim like cutoff jeans or like distressed jeans and some little wedges. So I like it. The only thing is I think I'm just gonna have to suck it up and wear a strapless bra. And I think I need a new one. So let me know your recommendations for strapless bras. Typically I just wear like nipple covers and no bra, but with a shirt like this, it's a little bit thinner. I would like a little bit more underneath it. So let me know your recommendations for great strapless bras. This is called the Skies Are Blue off the shoulder top. It's $34. This next top is very familiar to me, and I think I figured out why. So a couple of boxes ago, I got a shirt very similar to this one, the same fit, I think, and ended up keeping it because I loved it, but it was just a little bit more of a vibrant, like royal blue color. The sleeves were also shorter on that one, so I kind of prefer the longer sleeves, and this material is definitely thinner than the one that I ended up keeping before. The color scheme on this too, I think, gives you more options to wear with different things. The other one is more summery and bright, but this one is really pretty too. It's the brand Emetilia. If you know what it is, let me know. But I do think this one fit really great too. I like that it's fitted on the chest and then not fitted like on the stomach and the hips and stuff. I think makes me feel just a little bit more comfortable. So this is called the Emmet LA, I think, floral print tunic top, $39. This next top is so cute, but it's a little bit snug. So hear me out. Y'all know if you've been watching my channel for a while, I tend to prefer things that aren't too snug. I like the more flowy or baggier. I mean, I can wear a pair of like skinny jeans that are fitted, but I would prefer to wear those with a top that's a little more loose. So when I pulled this one out, I thought, ugh, it's going to be too small. It's going to be snug. It's the brand Chris and Carol. It's in a size 2X. But then when I put this on, the fitted was actually kind of cute. It's red and white striped on the sleeves. It's got blue with white stars everywhere else. And I think it's just really fun and cute. Just a really nice basic tee. It's called the Star Print and Stripe Top. Chris & Carol is the brand, $43. And the very last thing in my box is a pair of denim shorts. These are the brand Nicole Miller New York. They're in a size 20. They're called the Soho High Rise. I appreciate the little bit of distressing on them. They are high rise, but they're not tight high rise. Like, they're fitted, but they've got enough stretch in them they're really, really comfortable. And as far as the cuff on the bottom, I prefer shorts without a cuff, so you can absolutely unroll these if you wanted to. But I have several pair that I've kept from different boxes that do have a cuff on them. So I need to just like bite the bullet and buy that fabric tape and just do all my shorts so that I don't have an issue anymore. But I like these. All the other shorts I have that have this cuff are dark wash. So I think I could definitely use a pair of these in my collection, and they fit really well. They're really comfortable. These are called the Nicole Miller denim shorts. They're $52. So let's talk price. Now that we have seen everything, the total for everything in my box is $223. How FASHOM works: if you keep 5 items, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off. So if I kept everything in this box, my total comes to $156.10, which in theory is not a bad deal. You get a dress, 3 tops, and a pair of shorts for $156 roughly. So what I'm thinking, I love that purple dress. Absolutely love it. I want to keep it. The shorts, I don't know if I need them, so let me know what y'all think about those. The purple off the shoulder top as well, I already am envisioning me wearing it Sunday, so I think that that's a keeper. So as always, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like in the description box down below. The link to sign up for FASHOM will be there. All you have to do is click that link and sign up from today until next Friday, and you're entered to win the $50 in credit. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.